Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes to keep your business's money safe at your bank? It's a question every business owner should be asking, especially in today's increasingly digital world where cyber threats lurk around every corner. We entrust our financial institutions with our hard-earned capital, the lifeblood of our operations, but how exactly do they protect it? Today, we're pulling back the curtain to explore the robust security strategies employed by Patriot Bank to safeguard its business accounts. This isn't just about locking the vault, it's a multi-layered approach that combines cutting-edge technology, vigilant monitoring, and proactive education to create a fortress around your finances. Whether you're a longtime Patriot Bank customer or considering them for your business banking needs, understanding these measures is crucial for your peace of mind and the continued success of your enterprise. We'll delve into the specifics, from their digital defenses to their physical safeguards, and even touch on how you, as a business owner, play a vital role in this shared responsibility. Because when it comes to financial security, it's a team effort. So, buckle up, because we're about to demystify the sophisticated world of banking security and show you exactly how Patriot Bank goes above and beyond to protect your business. Let's start with the fundamental pillars of Patriot Bank's business account security. At its core, their strategy revolves around three key areas: technological safeguards, robust internal policies and procedures, and continuous customer education. Think of it like a three-legged stool. Each leg is essential for stability and strength. First up, technological safeguards. In the digital age, this is where a significant portion of the battle against fraud is fought. Patriot Bank employs a comprehensive suite of advanced technologies designed to detect, prevent, and respond to threats. One of the cornerstones of their digital security is encryption. When you conduct transactions online or access your account through their digital banking platforms, your data isn't just floating freely. It's transformed into a secure, unreadable code. This encryption acts as a digital lock, making it incredibly difficult for unauthorized individuals to intercept and decipher your sensitive financial information. It's like sending a secret message in a coded language that only the intended recipient can understand. Even if someone else gets their hands on it, it's useless to them. This applies to everything from your login credentials to your transaction details, ensuring a secure channel for all your online banking activities. Closely linked to encryption is Secure Socket Layer, SSL, and Transport Layer Security, TLS. These are protocols that establish an encrypted link between a web server and a browser. You've probably seen the padlock icon in your browser's address bar, or noticed https:// at the beginning of a website address. That's SSL/TLS at work, confirming that your connection to Patriot Bank's online banking platform is secure and your data is protected during transmission. Without these, your information would be vulnerable to eavesdropping and manipulation. Beyond the secure connection, Patriot Bank utilizes multi-factor authentication, MFA, for its online business banking. This is a crucial layer of defense that goes beyond just a username and password. MFA requires you to provide 2 or more verification factors to gain access to your account. This could involve something you know, like your password, something you have, like a code sent to your phone or generated by a token, or something you are, like a fingerprint or facial scan, though less common for business banking logins. Even if a malicious actor somehow obtains your password, they still wouldn't be able to access your account without that second factor. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access due to stolen or weak passwords. Patriot Bank also implements sophisticated fraud detection and monitoring systems. These aren't just passive tools, they are active, intelligent systems that continuously analyze transaction patterns and identify suspicious activity in real time. Imagine a security guard who knows your normal routine perfectly. If suddenly you start doing things completely out of character, like making unusually large purchases in a foreign country when you're known to always be local, that guard is going to notice. Similarly, these systems use advanced algorithms and artificial intelligence to spot anomalies. This could be an unusually large transfer, a series of rapid small transactions, or activity from an unfamiliar location. When such patterns are detected, the system flags them, often triggering an alert to their fraud prevention team, who can then investigate and, if necessary, temporarily freeze the account to prevent further loss. This proactive approach is vital in minimizing the impact of fraudulent activities. A key offering for businesses is positive pay protection. This is a powerful fraud detection tool specifically designed to combat check fraud, which remains a significant threat to businesses. With positive pay, your business provides the bank with a list of checks it has issued, including the check number, amount, and payee. When a check is presented for payment, Patriot Bank compares it against your provided list. If there's a discrepancy, a check number that doesn't match, an altered amount, or an unauthorized payee, the bank flags it as suspicious. This gives your business the opportunity to review the flagged item and decide whether to pay or return it before any funds are released, effectively catching unauthorized checks before they clear your account. It's like having a bouncer at the door, only letting in the people who are on the guest list. Furthermore, Patriot Bank leverages remote deposit capture with security in mind. While this service offers convenience by allowing businesses to deposit checks directly from their office using a scanner, it's implemented with robust security measures to ensure the integrity of the process and reduce the risk of check fraud associated with physical handling. This digitalization often reduces the touchpoints where fraud can occur, streamlining the process and making it more secure. Beyond these client-facing technologies, Patriot Bank invests heavily in its internal cybersecurity infrastructure. This includes robust firewalls that act as barriers between their internal network and the public internet, preventing unauthorized access. They utilize advanced intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDPS, that monitor network traffic for malicious activity and automatically block suspicious connections. Regular security audits and penetration testing are also conducted by independent third parties to identify and address any potential vulnerabilities in their systems before criminals can exploit them. Think of it as having ethical hackers constantly trying to break into their systems so that Patriot Bank can patch up any weaknesses. Now, let's move on to the second pillar, robust internal policies and procedures. Technology is only as good as the human element and the processes that govern its use. Patriot Bank has stringent internal protocols to ensure the security of your business accounts. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.